everyone. Thank you for joining us. Today we are going to be talking about the Virtual Advising Center. I just wanted to go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Ray. My pronouns are they, them, and I am a peer coach here at the Triton Transfer Hub. I will go ahead and pass it off to my co-host today. You would like to introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Olivia. My pronouns are she, her, hers, and I am also a peer coach at the Triton Transfer Hub.
Awesome. So we'll go ahead and jump right into our presentation. Let me go ahead and share my screen. There we go. All righty. So what is the Virtual Advising Center? It is a tool that students can use. So you can ask your college advisors or your department advisors any questions that you might have about your academic record or any concerns that you might have. Olivia, if you would like to.
Yeah. So where is the VAC? So to access the VAC, you want to log into Triton Link using your PID and password. Scroll over to the Virtual Grades tab and Advising Grades tab and click on Virtual Advising Center, or you can just go straight to vac.ucsd.edu.
Yeah, and so how would you ask a question? All you have to do is go into that tab right on the side and click on Ask a Question. And then to send the messages, you will make sure that you select your topic and then who you're directing it to, whether that be your college academic advisor or whether it is your major or minor advisor. And then you would type your question into the box right at the bottom and then submit it. And they'll usually get back to you within 24 to 48 hours.
If you want to meet with advisor, so for appointments, you want to go to the Meet with Advisor tab and select college and major, depending on what you want to talk to your advisor about, and then select schedule an appointment and proceed with the instructions. Drop-in advising. So some colleges or major departments offer drop-in advising. If you would like to attend your drop-in advising, look at your college or major department's hours and then sign in, and you'll be placed in a Zoom waiting room.
Yeah, and so the contact record is where your correspondence with your advisors will show. So after you've asked a question and they've responded to you, it will show up in your contact record. You also have your personal information tab. So that's any files like degree audits that you have run. You can set up your preferences for texting and email. And then that's also where your academic notices will be if you have any from your major or your department.
The news tab is pretty simple. It just gives you any information about the virtual advising center hours. It usually defaults to your colleges. And we have an example from Warren College, but yours will look different depending on what your college is.
Yeah, and then we have the frequently asked questions tab. So this is a great place to start in case you might have a question and it's something that they get asked pretty often. They usually have preset answers that you can check out there.
In the useful link tab, it'll be personalized for your college, but it usually provides any list of useful links, including DEI courses, major information, what CAP majors are, and what courses are being offered each year.
And then we get into academic plans, which is where most people tend to have questions about. You'll just click on academic plans, and then it will prompt you to fill out your year, your department, and your major. And then it will auto-populate. Then you'll scroll down and select transfer plan. Then you'll be able to view the plan that is generalized for incoming transfers in your class. And these are not personalized in any way, so that you want to keep that in mind. And you will want to talk to your advisor if you do want to seek out a personalized plan.
And graduation. So for those of you who are getting ready to prepare for graduation, this tab is useful. It'll give you all the dates to prepare for graduation, depending on what quarter you're looking to graduate. And you just want to click the apply for degree button at the bottom when you have all your graduation requirements ready.
Awesome. So now that we've kind of covered all of the information that might be in the VAC, you guys can go ahead and explore on your own. But if you have any further questions, please feel free to contact your advisors or reach out to us at the Triton Transfer Hub for any additional help. And we wish you luck with figuring that out. Bye-bye.
Bye.